Good morning, and I hope everyone's having a good day. It is Monday, however, so, that's a little iffy. But I'm out here trying to go ahead and check on the garden. Of course, Freddy wants to go ahead and look at everything. This broccoli's coming along now. The third one is going to be a little runt, and that's okay. The whole plant's edible. This is accidental turmeric. I guess I missed that at some point, and I've got one onion still going. The rest of the Brussels, this is going away, probably today. I just want to go ahead and switch it up a little bit. The cranberry hibiscus, as you can see, I'm holding this about face level with me right now, and it's doing just fine, including some of the other plants that I had rooted off. And after I had rooted them off and put them in the ground to help create a bit of a coverage zone, that seemed to have worked out pretty well. Everything else seems to be doing well. That's the tomatoes. It's one of my newer plants, but it is growing ferociously, which I'm super, super happy about. I gotta step past Freddy because he's in chill mode. So now that we got that out of the way, I did deadhead one of my sunflowers, but it looks like we have something else going on in there. So that's just an experiment. Want to see how it goes. For the most part, they grew, they seeded, and I'm just seeing what's going to happen. But this one is coming along pretty nice. It looks like we have another round of leaves coming in on the outside of the bud, which really makes me happy. The beets, that was the first go. I've never grown beets before, but they did do pretty well. I know, you're looking at that going, wow, there's so many in there. Yeah, that was my fault. I didn't expect every single seed that I put down to sprout, but they all did. And that's okay, because the leaves and stems made some pretty nice sandwiches and sides. And I have no complaints about being able to eat that. But the beets are small, so I'll do better next time. Trust me. I'd like to show you some of it a little bit more. But then again, Freddy's going at his own pace in the morning, and of course, he has his priorities, which include anything other than him or me that moves. And as you can see, he's doing the cat thing. Not mad at him. Little preview of the second bucket of lye that I have to go ahead and cook down. And thankfully, the hibiscus is coming back. All the sprouts right along the stems starting to come back really well. Super happy about it. The accidental potatoes are still there. And if you look, there's another accidental turmeric right in there. And that's fine. I like to make my own spice mixes and everything. These are from an onion that bifurcated twice, and unfortunately I did not have them spaced out enough. So they are rather small. But I'm looking at it kind of as a win. I get just a few onions to use on something that I'm going to cook. These are probably going to get separated today. My mini pomegranate trees. I'm going to space them out, put them in something, keep Freddy away from the light, because that would be bad. But he's still Freddy, so he's going to argue. Other than that, I want to thank everybody who's been helping me go ahead and build this channel and start to create a little bit of a community. And I've noticed there are a lot of other people who have their pets and have their plants and have their hobbies, and they are talking to me and I'm talking to them, and it's just nice to always have kind of that extra support, or somebody that you can ask a question and get an answer in a reasonable amount of time. So it's pretty cool. And hopefully pretty soon we can get to the point where maybe we can turn this into something more than just a hobby channel. Unfortunately, that does require a lot of the video watching and the hours required, but that's normal. It's just part of the whole deal. You want to go on a little walk, Fredo? He's thinking about it, but there's still construction downtown. Well, not downtown, but down the road. So I just wanted to get him out here before it got too hot. And he gets so focused on something sometimes that he forgets I'm right behind him. So when I make a noise with my feet, he is immediately spooked. Which is funny, because he's the one that spooks most things off. Come on, buddy. Come on. And take a little stroll around back. Thankfully, this was cut back a lot, which just gives us a little more walking area. And of course, Freddy's got to investigate it. It's high grass, and a cat in high grass is a happy cat, I am fairly certain. So we are going to go ahead and, like I said, just thank everybody again, and we will get back to you soon. Hopefully we can go ahead and keep this going the right way. It's been a super positive experience so far. You know, I mean, it's the internet, so things happen. But otherwise, like and subscribe, turn on notifications if you would like, and I will talk to you again pretty soon. You have a good one.